Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this short video today, we are going to have a look at how to change the theme of your Microsoft Word online or even on a local computer or laptop. So just make sure to subscribe my channel before going into this video. It really helps me. So to change the theme of your Word document, you can go to the view option in the ribbon, and you would be finding a dark mode option at the last. You can turn on this dark mode button and it will change the theme of your Word document to dark. And if you want to go back to the light version, you can just again click on the same button to go back to the light version. So as you can see, the theme has been changed to dark mode, but still in this dark mode, if you want to still change the background of the sheet or color of the sheet to white while keeping the dark theme on, you can follow these steps. You can just you can find that switch background button just by the side of the dark theme. You can just click on this and it will change the you know change the background of the sheet to white. This will avoid straining your eyes too much while using the Word document. So hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, like this video and share this video with your friends who are looking to change the theme of their Word document online.